Hello, I am Aniket from Tarkashastra Academy. Cmat 2023 is around the corner, less than 10 days away now. And for this, we started a daily video series till the Cmat exam. So in this daily video series, this is, I guess, our 18th or 19th session. So in this daily video series, we are covering important topics or concepts of innovation and entrepreneurship. Then we have made few videos on general awareness as well. Few videos on logical reasoning like on clocks and calendars. Then we made one video on data interpretation, types of questions of data interpretation that are asked in CMAT exam. So I hope this video series is helping you a lot. Now we have come up with one more free video series or free workshops for CMAT. Free CMAT workshops we are going to conduct. So the first workshop is going to be conducted on Tuesday, second on Thursday, and then last one on Saturday. That is 25th of April, 27th of April, and 29th of April. Okay. So link for this workshop will be provided to you if you send a WhatsApp message to us on the number given in the description of the video. So you just have to go to the description of the video, check the number over there and send a WhatsApp message on that number and we will share the link of the workshop to you. Okay. In this video, we are going to look at top 50 companies and their CEOs, MDs and chairmen. Okay. So for few companies, their CEOs are famous. For few companies, their MDs are famous. And few companies, their chairmen are famous. So we are going to look at them. Okay. So there was one question asked on this particular topic in last year's CMAT exam, CMAT 2022, CMAT 2022 INE section. There was one particular question asked from this topic. It was a match the pair question. You can go and check that as well. We have made a video for CMAT 2022 INE section as well. Okay. So let us go through it. Before that, if you want to join our academy for MBA entrance exam training, you do connect with us again on the number given in the description of the video. We provide everything that is needed to help you join your dream-based school. One more thing, it is highly recommended that you join our Telegram channel as well. This Telegram channel is a good source to solve your academic and non-academic doubts. Okay, so you can ask your fellow aspirants whether this college is good or not, how to prepare for this particular section, how to prepare for this particular exam. All these doubts will be cleared over there. If you have any doubt in the question, that can also be cleared in this Telegram group. Okay, and daily we put fun quizzes and exercises or polls in the Telegram group, which is going to help you prepare for the exam in a fun way. Okay. So this Telegram group is going to increase your knowledge in a fun way. So link for this Telegram channel or this Telegram group is available in the description of the video. You can join the Telegram group as well. Now coming to the companies and their CEOs, MD CEOs and chairmen. Okay. So top companies, Reliance Industry, Mukesh Ambani is the chairman and MD. Tata Consultancy Services, Rajesh Gopinathan. HDFC Bank Limited, Shashidhar Jagdishan. Infosys Limited, Salil Parekh. Hindustan Unilever, Sanjeev Mehta. ICICI Bank, Sandeep Bakshi. Housing Development Finance Corporation, HDFC Bank and HDFC Limited are two different entities. So HDFC Limited, the CEO is Kiki Mistry. State Bank of India, Dinesh Kumar Khara. Bajaj Finance, Ganesh Mohan. Kotak Mahindra Bank, Uday Kotak. Wipro Limited, Thierry Delaporte. Bharti Airtel, Sunil Bharti Mittal. Asian Paints, Amit Sehgal. HCL Technologies, C. Vijay Kumar. Mahindra and Mahindra, CP Gurnani. Axis Bank, Amitabh Chaudhary. Maruti Suzuki India Limited, Hisashi Takuichi. Avenue Supermarts, Neville Noronna, which is for DMart. Then Larsen and Toubro, SN Subramaniam. Apollo Hospitals, Dr. Pratap Reddy. ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company, NS Kanan. Nestle India, Suresh Narayan. IRCTC, Rajni Hasija. Sun Pharmaceuticals, Dilip Sanghvi. Adani Enterprises, Vinay Prakash. Adani Green Energy, Vinit Jain. Titan Company Limited, CK Venkataraman. Tata Steel, TV Narendra. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, that is ONGC, Arun Kumar Singh. Coal India Limited, Pramod Agarwal. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Erez Israeli. HDFC Life Insurance Company, Vibha Podalkar. Divi's Laboratories, Kiran S. Divi. Power Grid Corporation of India, K. Shrikant. Pidilite Industries, Bharat Puri. Britannia Industries, Rajnath Singh Kohli. Bajaj Auto, Rajiv Bajaj. United Spirits, Hina Nagarajan. Tech Mahindra, CP Gurnani. Adani Transmission Limited, Anil Sardana. Zomato Limited, Dipinder Goyal. SBI Life Insurance, Mahesh Kumar Sharma. Dabur India Limited, Mohit Malhotra. Berger Paints, Abhijit Roy. Vedanta, Sunil Duggal. IndusInd Bank, Suman Kathapalliya. DLF, Ashok Kumar Tyagi. Larsen and Toubro Infonet, SN Subramanyam. Bharat Petroleum, G. Krishna Kumar. And Godrej Consumer Products Limited, Sudhir Sitapati. Okay, so these are the important MDs and CEOs for CMAT exam. You may get a question on this. Okay, last year's question was quite easy. They asked the MDs and CEOs of what you say, Sugar Cosmetics, Lenskart. So if you watch Shark Tank, you could have solved that question. But this year the question may get difficult, and you may get questions on any one of these MDs and CEOs. Okay, so make sure that you keep a note of it. If you have any other query, do connect with us on any one of these three social media platforms or visit our website tarkashastra.co.in. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.